We have news about the Catoosa County Board of Elections and the upcoming election in May. They called a special meeting to determine whether or not to uphold the decision of the superintendent to certify candidates Jeff Long, Vanita Hullander, Larry Black, and Stephen Henry to be on the Republican primary ballot.
For now, they're back on the ballot, but that is pending an appeal from the party. Grayson Gordon joins us live from outside the courthouse with the latest information. Hello, Grayson.
Hey, David, Cindy, yes, that decision was upheld today by the Election Commission. So that means these four candidates will get to be on that ballot. And as you heard, the Republican Party does plan to file some appeals, but we will see what happens there. We are getting on that tight deadline at this point. The election meeting was called a hearing at times, and the courtroom location prevented cameras and recording devices being allowed. Republicans who challenged the four candidates' nomination had the opportunity to speak. Then each could be questioned by the attorneys representing these four candidates. Some did deny, but they say they were not aware they would be questioned to know to bring legal representation for themselves. Attorney Brian Tyson, representing Stephen Henry, says this entire situation is a new one for him.
I never have. This is, I think, a first for Georgia. We've never had a decision making like this from a small group of people. And so it's definitely unusual, but I think the law has spoken very clearly, both the judges and now the Board of Elections.
And typically the Election Commission only certifies the nonpartisan and independent candidates, although there are some special circumstances. And we were able to hear questioning from those last candidates at the end of it, although they denied any questioning from anybody from the GOP. The GOP attorney says that they are looking at their options for what they can do next. But like I said earlier, this is really getting close to that deadline for putting out those ballots for the May 21st primary election. So we'll see what happens. We're pretty live in Catoosa County. Grayson Gordon, Local 3 News.